Hello students, in today's video we will be continuing our chapter 4 fraction part 3. Students, in our previous video we already learned about like and unlike fractions, type of fractions and equivalent fractions. So in this video we are going to learn about comparing fractions. When the denominator of two or more fractions are the same, the fraction with greater numerator is greater. Students, here in this example you can see that the denominator of these two fractions are the same. So when we have to compare that which number is greater or which number is smaller, so we move to the numerator. If the numerator is greater, then that number is called a greater. For example, here 5 and 8. 8 is greater than 5, or we can say that 5 is smaller than 8. So we consider that 8 upon 11 is greater than 5 upon 11. Now, when the numerator of two or more fractions are the same, the fraction with smaller denominator is greater. Students, here you can see that denominator is same, but we compare numerator. Here the numerator is same. Now we have to compare with denominator, but when the denominator is smaller, that number is a greater. So here 3 and 5. In this number 3 is less than 5. So we can say that this number is greater than 5. Now let's solve some sums. In our first, we can see the denominator is same, so we compare numerator, and 8 is greater than 5. So same example 2, 7 upon 12 and 5 upon 12. In both, numerator are same, so we compare with denominators are same, so we are going to compare with numerator, and the 7 is greater than 5. So students, now example number 3. Here you can see easily that the denominator of this number is different, but the numerator is same. So as the definition which we already learned, that the smaller denominator is greater. When the numerator of two or more fraction are the same, the fraction with smaller denominator. So you can see 6 is the smaller than 8. So we can see that 5 upon 6 is greater than 5 upon 8. So next 3 examples you have to solve by your own. Now compare the given fractions using less than or greater than. Students, we have to solve this sum that which number is greater and which number is lesser. But to solve this sum, we have two types that to solve this sum. Method 1, that is cross multiplication, and method 2, That is, yes, that is LCM. Sorry. Now you can see on your screen that 3 upon 4 and 5 upon 8. We learn our first method, that is cross multiplication. So you can see here, I'm going to multiply the denominator with same number, and same here, I'm going to multiply 4 with denominator and numerator also. So 3 8s are 24, 4 8s are 32, 5 4s are 20, 8 4s are 32. Now students, you can see here that the denominator of both numbers are same. Now we easily compare this number. So you can see that 24 and 20 here, 24 is greater than 20. So this is the answer. I hope your answer will be, your concept is completely clear. Now, see students, we are going to solve this sum with this same sum with different method, and that is LCM. Students, we have to take LCM of the denominators. So, the LCM of denominators is 8. So, 4 into 2 become 8, and 8 ones are 8. So we are going to write the answer. 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8, 5 ones are 5, 8 ones are 8. Again, the denominator of this number is same. So we have to compare 6 and 5. As you can see that 6 is greater than 5. So 3 upon 4 is greater than 5 upon 8. So this is our answer. See students, we solve the same number with two different methods. One is cross multiplication. Second is LCM of denominators. It is completely your choice which method you can use. Now again I am going to give you one more example of cross multiplication. You can see here the different denominators are given. So I am going to multiply with first 4 and second with 7. Now what is the multiplication of 7 4s are 28, 5 4s are 20. Same, 5 7s are 35, and 4 7s are 20. Sorry students, there are some mistakes. You can see here one mistake is done by me, and that is we have to multiply with 5. Sorry students, here we are taking cross multiplication. As we are going to take 7 here, so we are going to take 4 here. So we have to multiply here with 5. So 7 4s are 28, and 5 4s are 20. 5 5s are 25, and 5 4s are 20. Now you can easily compare this. that 28 in 28 and 25, 28 is greater. So the answer is 7 upon 5 is greater than 5 upon 4. Now this is for your practice. You can do this sum as take of LCM of denominators and the same process with cross multiplication. Now identify the greater fraction of the following pairs. Students, in this I am going to take LCM of denominators, and the denominator of 7 and 4 is LCM of 7 and 4 is 14. 7 and 14 is 14. So what is my next step is 1 upon 7 and 3 upon 14. 7 2s are 14, 14 1s are 14. So 2 upon, as you know, 2 1s are 2, 7 2s are 14, 3 1s are 3, 14 1s are 14. Now you can compare with numerator, that 2 and 3. So 3 is greater, so we are going to here, and our final answer is 3 upon 14 is greater than 1 upon 7. Now 3 upon 7 and 2 upon 5. So I'm going to take this sum solving by cross multiplication. So 3 upon 7 and 2 upon 5. Students, don't confuse here. We have to take LCM. So remaining number is 5. I'm going to multiply with numerator and denominator. Here also 5 multiplied by 7 with numerator and denominator. So 5 3s are 15. And 7 5s are 35. Again 7 2s are 14 and 5 7s are 35. As students, you can see that comparison of denominators, now they are same, so we have to compare with numerator 15 and 14. So 15 is greater, so we can easily say that 3 upon 7 is greater than 2 upon 5. So students, I think your concept of cross multiplication and LCM is completely clear here. Yes. Now students, identify the smaller fraction of the following pairs. Now in our previous question we learned what is the greater fraction, and here we have to learn smaller fraction. But students, as we already learned our definitions, that in 2 upon 15 and 7 upon 15, when the numerator of two or more fractions are the same, but here you can see the denominator are same, and which number is less? 2. So which number is smaller than? Yes, when we are going to compare, 2 upon 15 is smaller than 7 upon 15. Now, yes, now we have to solve another sum with LCM of denominators. So, LCM of denominators of 21 and 7 is 21. Sorry. So 21 ones are 21, as you know, and 7 threes are 21. Students, we are going to take LCM of denominators because we want that the LCM is same in all numbers. So 5 ones are 5, 21 ones are 21, 2 threes are 6, and 7 threes are 21. As now we have to compare 5 and 6. You know that 5 is less than 6, and here we have to find smaller number. So 5 upon 21 and 2 upon 7. 5 upon 21 is smaller than 2 upon 7. Students, now arrange the given set of fraction in ascending order. Students, in ascending or descending order, you have to take LCM. You can see the number 1 upon 9, 1 upon 18, and 1 upon 12. And the LCM of this fraction is 36. So, what we have to do, that we have 1 upon 9 and 1 upon 12. So, on which number I am going to multiply with 9, that I am going to get my answer 36, and that number is 4. Same with 18. When I multiply the number 2, I am getting 36, and when in 12 I am multiply with 3, so the denominator is 36. Now students, you can see that 1 fours are 4, 9 fours are 36, 2 ones are 2, 18 twos are 36, and 3 ones are 3, 12 threes are 36. Now we have to compare this number as a smaller to greater in ascending order. So 2 upon 36, 3 upon 36, and 4 upon 36. So in 2 upon 36, I have to write 1 upon 18, then 3 upon 30. Instead of 3 upon 36, I have to write 1 upon 12, and at last 1 upon 9. Now we are moved for the descending order. Students, we have to follow same steps here also, but in descending order we have to write greater to smaller. So again we have to take LCM of denominators of 3, 7 and 10, and then LCM of these three numbers is 210. So here we have to write 2 upon 3, 5 upon 7, and 7 upon 10. So now we are going to multiply with these three numbers to get 210. So when I am going to multiply 3 with 70, the answer is 210. When I am going to multiply 7 with 30, students, we have to multiply same number with denominator and numerator also. And 10, 20s are 210. So 7 270s are 140 divided by 210. 530s are 150. 210 and 721s are 147 upon 210. So now we have to compare that 5 upon 7 with 5 upon 7, 7 upon 10 and 2 upon 3. This is your answer. Students, we have to go greater to smaller. So one greater number is 150 upon, this is the first number. So I am going to write down here first. After that 147, that is 2. So the answer is 7 upon 10 and at last 2 upon 3. Students, this is the one more hint for you that we already learned one definition. Yes, when the denominator are different but the numerator are same, so the fraction with smaller number is greater. So you have to do this sum at your home for your practice. Students, if you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.